Hello my friends. Today I'm going to replay the catalytic converter on 2012 Honda Accord. Follow me to see. Thank you. Xin chào các bạn nha. Bữa nay mình có chiếc xe 2012 Honda Accord mấy bạn. Mình thay cái catalytic converter. Bạn cố gắng theo dõi mình ha. Cảm ơn các bạn nhiều. Today I'm going to replay the catalytic converter. Take the catalytic converter back.
Hold on, man. I'm gonna
Go to sensor tool. Put in here. And that. Extension. And your breaker bar.
not sure the breaker bar.
It's a breaker bar. There you go. Easy. Replay that catalytic converter. I have to remove that.
Which car is that?
2012 Honda Accord.
2.2.
Honda.
Stop it.
No. We have to get a heat shield. Heat shield out. We get 3 bolts up here.
1, 2.
Yeah, let's stop. Okay, 12 millimeter socket. Take the heat shield out. It's okay. When we get the bottom, we'll get in the bottom. Do this side. The second auto sensor, I disconnected the connector. I leave the auto sensor in the catalytic converter. I take it out with the catalytic converter.
Go ahead. Yes. It's okay. This O2 sensor, we disconnect the connector. They're attached for the cat, so we're supposed to be take it out. O2 sensor attached to the cat. Yeah. Use the long screwdriver.
Loose, but it's not straight. Look at the thing is, the wire is not long enough. Shit.
to get that auto sensor out. I'm gonna do it.
That's just enough. Wait. There you go. You stay with that.
Attach for the cat, so we have to take the bracket out first.
I think 2 bolts.
I have 2 bolts for the cat. So we have to take the whole bracket out. It's attached to the catalytic controller.
Now, get you an air gun, dry it off real good, and start it. I want to see if it's the outside that's leaking or that line.
Now, go on the top.
On the box.
We got an epic thing here too, we'll counteract it. I like that he says nice to you. I guess you got something at home. So, well.
No, go down, yeah, right. No, you're not on it. Put your socket over there first. Yeah, right here.
That car will be aligned. It's up to you if you want to do that today or tomorrow.
Okay.
You didn't say that.
There you go. That's a big fish. It's a fish, man. Big fish. That one we're taking down. No, not the out the cat. The catalytic converter. I forgot. It's a new one. So, oh.
Does that apply just to this season? Or is it so long forever to this dynasty?
When it came
Here's O2 sensor to it. I'm going to try to install and remove the O2 sensor. Then we'll put a new one. 10 Allen.
Contract, so we're gonna that next year. Those two guys are gonna do it with me. At the end of the day, I just want to win, and I know that's totally possible.
He was on vacation.
We try to put it
back.
Catalytic converter back.
You gotta read the tea leaves, you gotta see what's coming down the pipe. Well, this has been coming down. You got a guy in there that, you know, when he's there, he's fighting. He can do some big time things. More often than not, he's inconsistent, or dare I say, an absolute positive no-show. Family issues and things of that nature, I get it, but at the end of the day, a whole bunch of folks in this country, throughout this world, got issues. They're still short of work.
You're gonna move the light.
Two nut, two bolt.
It's gonna be 4 volt.
Two.
No, 2 on
nut.
the top. 2 nut or 2 volt? Yeah.
2 nut and 2 bolt.
Joe Laker is not going to stand for that. I can promise you that. There's no way that this will stand back. The end of the Warriors, as we know it, this isn't the end of the Warriors because they still got Steph Curry. As we know it.
That's good.
You have to put the bracket on it.
You win some championships, and the players get old. Salary cap goes in the mix. This is not baseball. Obviously, you know, you fade and you try to make another ball. So once you get picked, maybe you're fade when that great player comes out. Something will go for it. I know they got lucky with the Rams that 1 year when he was a free agent and he went to Golden State. That's probably not going to happen again. This is the logic of sports. You know, you have the one. They won 4 championships. Not like they never won. They won 4, and now they're going to go the other way for a while. All right, Wendy's right. Maybe they may, you know, we ain't playing more games. I got to see that. Believe it. So if we're playing more games, you know, Curtis over there. This is what it is.
And you gotta put the CAD board on it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. Video chấm hết các bạn. Cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi và ủng hộ kênh chữ Ba Lát. Cũng không quên chúc các bạn một ngày vui vẻ hạnh phúc bên gia đình. Xin chào.
You need a nut.